What's up, YouTube? This is LJ on bands, and as you could guess by the name, I'm going to teach you some basic exercises using resistance bands and resistance tubes. They're pretty much interchangeable. It says pretty much which one that you prefer to use. So without any further ado, let's get right to it. All right, so the first exercise I'm going to show you is the band resistant push-up. So take the band, wrap it around your back, put it in between your thumb and index finger like so, and pretty much get down into push-up position. Down, up. Now, if you can't do the push-up with the band, you can always just do a normal push-up. Down, up. Now, there are people that can't do a normal push-up, and that's okay, because I have something for you to help you get up to doing a push-up. So lean up on the wall, push your arms out, feet together, hands about chest level, go down towards the wall like a push-up, push back up, down towards the wall, push back up. It works the same muscle sets with less of your body weight involved, so it's not as stressful on your body as a normal push-up maybe, and you could get better form and more work out of it. And then you could progress to something like this or a chair, which is still not as hard as the normal push-up. It's kind of like in between. Down, up, down, up. Then you could progress to that, to either something lower, or then at that point you should be able to do a normal push-up off the ground. Then keep working those until you need a band if normal push-ups get too easy for you. And then that's how you could progress from wall to band push-ups. All right, now the next exercise I want to show you is the banded squat. It's pretty simple. Step in like so. Keep your feet shoulder width apart. Now you could hold the band two different ways. You could take it and hold it up like this and perform the squat that way. Or you could do essentially a back squat. Put it on your neck, go up like that, and down like a back squat. Now the thing to make the squats work more for you is when you do them at the top, you have to squeeze. So go down, come up, clench together at the top. Don't go down, come up and push forward. Then you put your back in a very compromising spot. So down, clench, down, squeeze, down, squeeze. In the same way with the push-up, if you can't do it with the band, you can do it with your body weight. So you can go down and still squeeze at the top. Down, squeeze at the top. All right, next exercise is the overhead press. So it's pretty much the same setup as the squat. Step in, shoulder width apart. Flip it up, spread your fingers about shoulder width apart, and press up, come down, up, down. Now when you're pressing, don't just press straight up, but you want to go like over the top of your head. So press, down, press, down, press, down. Get the full range of motion with it, down. And that's how you do the overhead press with bands. So the last and final exercise I'm gonna show you is the stiff leg deadlift. So what you wanna do with the band, keep it like this here, lay it on the ground. Once again, stand shoulder width apart, straighten out your back, pull up, but when you come up to get more out of it, pull your shoulders back at the top and also squeeze. Go back down, keep your back straight as you can, back up, tight, squeeze, back down. Now I know some people don't have the resistance bands, they have the tube. Problem is with this tube, even if you stand shoulder width apart, you're not getting much out of it. So what you want to do is a method called shortening up the band. So you would take it, wrap it around to make a circle, then you would step on the circle. Now you got more tension from the beginning of it. Then come up, back down, up, back down, up, back down. Those are 4 basic exercises to start to build a foundation for whatever your goal is, whether it's muscle building, weight loss, getting stronger. Those 4 exercises are a good place to start to work towards your goals. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to put all this together to start your workout. So me, myself, I like to start with squats. Some people like to start with their chest first, but I like to start with squats. And today I'm going to just hold it like this, pretty much like a front squat. Down, squeeze, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then immediately after that, I'm gonna jump right into the banded push-up. There's no real rest or break in between these. This is real great for burning those extra calories. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Immediately after that, right into the shoulder press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then last and final move, stiff leg deadlift. 1, 2, 3, 4. And also, even though this move works your hamstrings and lower back and butt muscles, also works your entire back. If you put that contraction, that squeeze, and rolling your shoulders back on it. Now, next video is gonna be a couple of more exercises for you guys, including back rolls and some other things that we're gonna throw up in there. But this is just a good starting point for anybody that's just starting back or coming back to the gym. All right, guys, so there you have it. That's pretty much like a beginner's workouts with bands or tubes. Now, the way I did it, they called it like a circuit style training, but if you're not ready to do all 4 at one time, you could do 2 at a time. You could even do 1 at a time. Main thing that you want to remember is do what you're capable of doing, and it's not where you start, it's where you finish. So let's go out here and get this together. Until next time.
Bands will make a day. Bands will make a day. All these chicks poppin', poppin'. I'm just poppin', bang.